Good morning, dear students. Today we will start the question answers of chapter 2, Food and its component. We have already discussed about food and about its various components as well as their functions also in our body. Okay, so let's start the question answer segment of this chapter, and today we will study part 1. Okay, let's move further now. In the ingredients of food contain, fill in the blank, it is nutrients. Okay, nutrients are contained in the food. Okay, so question number 2, write the name of any two major nutrients in our food: carbohydrate and proteins. Other nutrients are also there, but here the question is being asked about the major nutrients only. Okay, if the word major word not used in this question, then you can answer proteins, vitamins, fats, minerals, as well as dietary fiber also. Okay, so be careful while answering the such questions. Let's move to next question now. Other than nutrients, food also contains dietary fibers. Got it? Food also contains dietary fibers. Next question is, the main carbohydrate found in our food are in the form of, fill in the blank first, and second it is starch and sugar. Carbohydrate in our food is found in the form of starch as well as in the form of sugar also. Next question. After putting 2 to 3 drops of dilute iodine solution on food items, it turns blue black. What does it indicates? Okay, it indicates that it contains starch. Okay, got it? On the food item, if you will place the iodine solution, then it will turn into blue black. That shows the presence of starch in the food item. Starch is present in raw potato. It is true or false? Definitely it is true. We all know potato is a rich source of carbohydrates, and starch is the part of carbohydrate. Okay, so it's true. Let's move to next question. An oily patch on the paper shows that food item contains fats. Okay, food item contains what? Its answer is fats. Does a food item contain more than one nutrient? Definitely. Its answer should be yes. Okay, so many nutrients are there in our food items. Okay, now the next question is, carbohydrates provide to our body. Carbohydrates provides energy to our body. Got it? Carbohydrates are a rich source of energy. What are energy giving foods? Foods containing fats and carbohydrates are energy providing foods. Got it? Foods containing fats as well as carbohydrates are called energy giving food. Okay, so let's move to next question. Write any two sources of carbohydrates: potato and wheat. Potato and wheat are two sources of carbohydrates. Next question. Carbohydrates mainly provide energy, whereas protein is needed for the growth of the body. Okay, why protein is needed in our body? It helps in the growth of the body. Next question. Write the name of two sources of protein. Very easy to answer. Gram and beans. Gram and beans. Okay. Next question. Write any two sources of fats. Meat and butter. Butter is a rich source of fats. Okay. And meat also a very much rich source of fats. Let's move to next question. What type of food is called bodybuilding food? Okay. Food containing proteins are called bodybuilding foods. Food containing proteins are called bodybuilding foods. Write one function of vitamins in our body. Vitamins helps in protecting our body against the disease. The main or primary function of vitamin in our body is to fight against the disease. Okay, or to protect ourselves from the disease. Next question. Next question. What are the functions of vitamin A in our body? Vitamin A keeps our skin and eyes healthy. Very important role, or very important for everyone to take vitamin in our and his or her diet, so that the skin as well as eyes can kept healthy for a longer time. Vitamin D helps our body to use calcium for the bones and the teeth. Okay, vitamin D provides or helps our body to use the calcium for the bones and the teeth also. So let's move to next question. Now, our body also prepares vitamin D in the presence of, I think you all know, be aware about this. We have heard many times from our ancestors or parents that spend some time in the morning in the presence of sunlight, then it will provide us, or it's a rich source of vitamin D. Okay, so sunlight is necessary for that. Write any two sources of vitamin C. Two sources are lemon and orange. Lemon and orange are the two sources of vitamin C. And one more thing, the disease that can be caused in the deficiency of vitamin C is scurvy. Okay, let's move to next question. Minerals are needed in our body in small amount. Okay, in small amount. Next is dietary fibers are also known as roughage. Is it true or false? Yes, it is very true. Okay, another name of dietary fiber is roughage. Okay, okay, dear students, let's move to next question. What are the sources of roughages or dietary fiber? Roughages are also known as dietary fiber, and what are the sources for them is the sources are pulses, fruits, etc. are the sources of roughage. Okay, pulses as well as fruits are the sources of roughage. Animal food also consists of nutrients. Yes, it is true. Nutrients are also available or present in the food that we got from the animals. Next question. By eating too much of fat rich food, we may suffer from obesity. Okay, we may suffer from obesity if you will take a food that is very much rich in fat and in excess, then it may cause the problem of obesity. Okay, obesity is motapa, if we call a fatness in the body. Fatty person will suffer from obesity. Disease due to the lack of nutrients over a long period are called deficiency diseases. Deficiency diseases. Okay, let's move to next question. Which disease is caused by the deficiency of vitamin B? Okay, the disease that is caused by the deficiency of vitamin B is beriberi. It is beriberi. You can easily remember B for vitamin B, and the name of disease also starts from B. It is beriberi. Okay, next question. Goiter is caused due to the deficiency of iodine. If there will be the deficiency of iodine in our food, then the disease that can be caused or occur is iodine. The disease is goiter, that is caused due to the deficiency of iodine. Okay, the question can be asked in reverse also. Name the disease that can be caused due to the deficiency of iodine. It is goiter. Okay, or goiter is caused due to the deficiency of iodine. Next question. Which disease is caused by the deficiency of vitamin A? Which disease is caused by the deficiency of vitamin A? It is night blindness. It is night blindness. Got it? Okay. So, dear students, today we discussed 29 very short answers type questions. So, try to learn them, revise them, and then write the answers of all these questions. Okay, dear students. So, dear students, take care. Till then, bye bye. Revise all these questions. And tomorrow we will continue with some more questions in part 2, okay, of chapter 2, food and its components.